How to open free TradingView account. If you are interested in opening a free TradingView account and you don't know how, this is going to be a very short 1 minute video walking you through the process. So there's two ways that I will go about it. But first of all, what you're going to want to do is go ahead and click on get started. You go first step, go tradingview.com. Second step, click get started. You're going to be taken to this page. I always recommend TradingView because, free until you're ready. So you can pretty much use all the things. You can test it out. And there's free trails as well. So that's why I love it. Sometimes it is tricky. So sometimes it's kind of, it is kind of like moving your drawings sometimes, but like this is a great one. It's a very good charting platform. You just go ahead and click and sign up. What you want to do is just either go with sign with Google or email. What I'll do is just go ahead and click email. It doesn't really matter, this is just my personal preference. I just go ahead and put in my details, like my password, and then I just go put my Gmail. This is my password. It says that I need to make it bigger, so I'll just do this. And then click I'm not a robot. You're gonna be having like this reCAPTCHA thing. So after you're done with this, after you're done with the CAPTCHA, just go create account. Then it wants you to verify your email. So you just go ahead into your email and you verify it. In this case, so you go to your Gmail, you just go ahead and click here, activate account. You're going to be waiting for it to activate, obviously. Once you verify your TradingView account, you're going to be taken to this page, and obviously what you're going to want to do is just start customizing and using it to however you want, It's pretty much that simple. And yeah, if you found any value, like the video, and I'll see you in the next one.